knocked on the wrong door, hombre. How was that? Did that sound cool? Oh, boy. Target acquired. Target acquired.
Rocks to the max!
Awesome!
Bring me the captain's head. I'll take yours as a replacement.
Wilhelm!
I got these guys.
Welcome to the Hall of Heroes.
Oops, I must have forgotten to install the targeting software. Here, take the controls for a second.
Oh,
Ow! Hey, what's going on up there?
well, unfortunately, my piloting skills are, shall we say, slightly underdeveloped.
Yeah, I think we can definitely agree on that.
Whoa, you maniac!
Ratchet, we are clearly not prepared for this. We should have contacted the Rangers to warn them of the attack.
Yeah, like they'd know who we are.
But you said they were your friends.
What? I think you're quoting me out of context. The Rangers are actually my, friends. Do you record everything I say? Do you record everything I say?
Your sense of direction is impeccable.
I can fix this!
That was awesome!
Finish them!
Ratchet, I believe I may have an idea. Your weapon package includes a mag booster. I am rewriting the software to isolate the raritanium alloy used to manufacture us.
Great idea, Clank.
Bring it on!
Too many of them!
Hold steady, Rangers! Prepare to die, galactic losers!
Come on!
Executing command and engage mag booster.
Is it working?
I do believe it is.
Acquired! Huh? No way.
Yeah!
Oh yes.
You're getting this, right? 2 civilians are saving the city!
There are 300 heavily armed warbots gaining on us.
I know! Isn't it great? Get ready to return to sender. Terminating mag booster on my mark. 3, 2, 1, mark!
No! No! You got to be kidding me! Get out!
Everyone, let's give these heroes some breathing room. I'm happy to field all questions on their behalf.
Captain Quark, Juanita Alvaro, Hall of It Nightly. The Blarg have been underground for over 50 years. Could their return be linked to the destroyed planets?
I think that's being a little alarmist, don't you, Juanita?
Begging your pardon, Captain. But Drek is responsible, and his attack today proves that he is only getting started.
No, we must all stay calm. Everything is under control.
Captain Quark, Dallas Wanamaker here. Does that mean you'll be asking these two heroes to join the Rangers?
Say what now?
Well,
I don't see why not.
You heard it here, folks. The search for a new Galactic Ranger is over. Alero City will never forget the day it was saved by a cat figure.